Hello everyone. So I'm just going to prepare a video for this particular YouTube channel, and so in that, like, basically the idea is to share all the experience what I am holding over last 10 to 12 years. So just to introduce myself, my name is Siva, and I am a software working professional over 10 to 12 years of experience. And so I have started my journey somewhere around 2012, 13, and then from that onwards, like, it's almost, if we'll see, 12, more than 12 years actually. I'm working in software industry across different products I have worked on. To mainly into most of my experience are into supply chain management, like the retail products. Then I have continued on the other side of it, like warehousing and all. So yeah, so that is just a short introduction about myself. Going to the okay, let me maximize it so that, yeah. And I have already explained about this previous uh, slide. So yeah, as I said, like, I have like almost like more than 12 years of experience, and I worked for products like retail supply chain management, retail products, and warehousing product. So that is what about my experience overall. And so the main intention of this particular video is to share some knowledge about the what's going on in the software industry and where we are heading now. So basically, if we'll see last 5 to 7 years, we are mostly into somewhere in 2017 or 18, it has started on machine learning and data science. Those things were the high topics, like the hot topics during that time. Then slowly, like, we have built so many application by using the data science, machine learning, and all these algorithms. Then the recent trend, if you'll see, it is more on towards the AI automation things, right? So so we'll see last 2 to 3 years, the whole industry is kind of focused more towards the AI automation. So the idea behind it is to kind of deliver the applications quickly to customers with less cost and less timing, right? So by using these AI automations, we can just build applications quickly, and also we can implement the solutions quickly with less cost. So yeah, so that is what the main objective is. And technology side, what all I have experienced so far is, I have I've started my career like in BTech time. I have learned Java and all, but when I started, I got the opportunity in .NET. So I spent like 5 to 7 years in .NET, and then later I moved to some other product, and I had to learn Java again. So it's like a mix. And currently, all this automation, whatever we do, that is based on the Python and Java. And backend side, you will see, it is mostly I have used SQL Server and all, SQL, and sometimes we used Oracle as well. So that is what the backend side. Also, I have worked on few custom frameworks as well, like entity framework kind of frameworks. And yeah, so it's more on like supply chain end-to-end operation and scaling applications. So yeah, these are all like my learnings so far. What I have done is, initial days, you will see, during my BTech time also, I was having so much communication issues and starting of the career as well. And I started learning Hindi when I was during my BTech time. So I used to get so many criticized and all, but I didn't listen to those. So I just take it positively and learned Hindi and all, and also communication side, pronunciation side. It's not Hindi pronunciation, it's English pronunciation mostly. So even I am starting up the career, even if now also I have to improve a lot on my communication and how I am interacting my will see my eye and head coordinations are also not correct. Video, whatever I am talking is I'm not that much comfortable now. So slowly it will be getting improved. So yeah, so communication side, and if we'll see if anybody college student, or let's say you are a person who is new to this industry or any industry, right? So it's not like overnight you'll improve everything, all your communication, pronunciation, all those things. So slowly it will happen, maybe a year, 2 or 5 max. So if you'll keep on practicing it, it will, give you better results. So yeah, that is what the main objective, I mean the experience and learning which I had, and the current focus and the industry, as I said, like industry is moving the more towards the kind of AI automations now. So AI automation, like let's say we have something in Oracle, we want to move to the Azure server with some SQL. Then that time we need, it will be, will do it manual migration. It will take some time, right? So with the use of AI automations, frameworks like ChatGPT, Git Copilot is there. Also we have like Perplexity and so many other Cursor and other tools are also available, right? So industry is kind of migrating towards that. So they are kind of building all these automation tools, and to do all these migrations or the upgrade, or let's say any new development also. Sorry, so any new development or new product development or existing product modification, or if you are working for a service based company also, they will be building so many internal tools, or softwares also. They will be building softwares for clients. So everywhere, like the main intention of this AI is to do the things faster with lower cost, right? So before we used to write Java, .NET on our own, like it used to take so much time, right? So now with AI and all, it will be very fast, and with less cost and all we can do. And these are the things which I have explained already, like AI, ML and all were there. Now it is still there, but the industry is more focused towards AI automation and all. And as I said, like the goal, efficiency, scalability, all these things are kind of will be improved. So I'm also kind of involved in few of the automation things. So yeah, so if you are a, let's say, this is just a like suggestion or some experience which I am sharing. I don't know whether it will be suitable for you. I mean it will be helpful, I think. So what I'm thinking is, like for students, or let's say you are new to the career of your software journey or any career, right? Whether you are working for any software company, or let's say you are working for some other electrical company, electronics company, or construction company, right? So it's not like overnight journey, right? So you need to kind of focus. If you're struggling with communication, struggling with management, struggling with your work, or the way, like you interact with your managers or seniors, so it will, like, if you take it positively and put your efforts, and just focus on your goals, like improvement areas. So then obviously, as I said, like it will not be overnight journey. You will not be able to change your communication skill or your presentation skills overnight. So just keep practicing it, and give the presentations, give interact with your teammates, then read books and read newspaper. Like that you can improve your communication skills. I am still in that process, if you can see clearly. Also, yeah, career wise also, experience matters, right? Like as example, like this AI automation is the biggest transition. So how we are going to implement that, how much effective it will be for customers, and how how we can get more and more success on that area. So that is something will take time, right? So it's not like we'll do everything in 3 to 6 months. It can take a year to 5 years, right? So yeah, so that is what my suggestion or the experience which I have shared so far in this particular video. Just, I mean, don't think so much. Just put your efforts. Do your, just be disciplined. Prepare a schedule like every day morning something you'll do some yoga or some exercise after you wake up, then read for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, then plan your day, whether if you are going to office, or there will be some something what you are going to do next day. Just plan a day before, so that you can utilize your time on effectively, and also you can get the best out of you. So that is what I'm trying to improve on daily basis, like as a professional also. As I said, like it is communication side, technical skill wise, or handling the team wise, or improving the functionality wise, customer solution wise. So every day we need to improve 1%, right? So it's not like at a time we'll implement everything. Yeah, some time for yourself, at least let's say 10, 20 minutes, 30 minutes also for physical activities or mental activities like yoga or some other, like reading books or yeah, that is how as a professional will grow, right? So we'll be preparing some content related to automation, and also this is just the introduction video.